Welcome to the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes. This video will show you how to enter the northbound NTE 35W TEXpress lanes on I-35W from eastbound I-30. As you travel east on I-30 near downtown Fort Worth and wish to enter the northbound TEXpress lanes on I-35W, move over into the second right-hand lane. Once you follow the signs to North I-35W, a TEXpress sign will indicate that the entrance ramp is on the left. You will see a white pricing sign with several toll rates. The first line shows the HOV2 Plus rate for carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who have activated their 50% weekday rush hour discount through the free Drive On TEXpress app. The second line shows the pricing for vehicles with valid toll tags. If you don't have a toll tag, rates will be higher. For more information on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. After passing under the pricing sign, keep to the left to enter the ramp onto the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes. Thanks for driving on the TEXpress lanes, and we hope you have a great trip.